In my previous video, I spoke about some benefits of delayed offers. Let's talk about some risks. Number 1. Losing out motivated buyers. Some buyers who are highly motivated might not like to wait until the offer date. Number 2. No offers on the offer date. There is a possibility that offer date could pass without any offers, which might make the property undesirable, appear overpriced, and remain on the market more than expected. Number 3. Some buyers may dislike the drawn-out process. Some prospective buyers may avoid the situations because they think that the process is too chaotic, stressful, and unfair. Keep in mind that the delayed offer strategy can be made more effective by better planning and an open communication with an expert. So if you are someone who is strategizing their home sale, give me a call at 647-512-2302. Thank you and have a good one.